What's up, y'all? So I was browsing Facebook last night, and I see that they have released a zLink update for the truck tablet. So on this flash drive, I have downloaded the APK. I'm gonna try to update the truck and see what the features are. Supposedly you can get full screen Android Auto now, and you know that was one of my cons on my review video. So I'm just gonna download it real quick, see if we can get full screen Android Auto and whatever else this zLink update offers. So truck is right on the other side of the Tahoe. I got to go grab the cable though for my phone, and we're gonna try to see if we can update this radio. Alright y'all, so I have my USB plugged in right there, and it says first thing you want to do, got the truck switched on, is to go to settings, apps, and uninstall zLink. So settings, oh no, maybe just apps. I wonder which version I have first. Let's click on it, see. Let's click on about. So that is version 3544. So we're gonna try to uninstall this. Now I don't have much time. I am on my lunch break. Do I want to uninstall this APK? Yes. Alright, so while that's uninstalling, I'm going to read the notes and see what I have to do next. Alright, it said go to settings, user settings, save and reboot. Ooh, okay. Alright, so while that is done, getting complete, let's figure out what we got to do next. Alright, so the unit is back up. So it says now install the app. So I'm gonna come here. I think I want to go to file manager. Oh shoot. So click this. Where is it at? Okay, down here at the bottom, you can see that one. Do you want to install this application? Yes. Alright, it says installing. Hopefully we don't get any crazy errors. Look at that. I got 10 minutes. So let's just watch this install. Okay, so app installed. Say now I think you go to done, and it says you want to close all the recent apps. So to do that, of course, you come up here, and I'm just gonna do this. I could have clicked clear all, but okay, so now everything is closed. So I think I said you go back to user settings again, and then do another save and reboot. So it says reboot to safe mode, and take a few seconds, but it should come up, and then once it comes up, I'll let y'all see that, and then I'm gonna have to get the other phone to record if I can get full screen Android Auto. That may have to wait until I'm off work later today, but I just want to go ahead and get this video started, get it rolling to see if that is gonna fix it. So you can see the unit is coming up. Actually, yeah, that's it. So hopefully the next thing you'll see will be me using Android Auto in full screen. So stay tuned. Oh, and sorry, one more quick thing. You can see now that it says it's updated to 3.7.6. So I'm gonna plug the phone in and see if this works. Alright y'all, so crazy turn of events. So I've installed zLink about 3 times now, the updated one, and I could never get it to connect to my phone. So I was thinking it was something wrong, something I did, but I finally asked my wife to use her phone. She has the same as S10 Plus, and as soon as I plugged her phone in, it connected. And it's not, her phone is not connected to Bluetooth or nothing. But as soon as I connected it here, it worked just fine. And you can see now that Waze is full screen. And then if I just go like here, she used Google Maps, but you can see Google Maps works, looks fine. And also, I didn't know you can do this in Google Maps. I never really use it, but you can do a satellite view. So I'm here at the QT, and it looks just like, you know, kind of what you see here. So that's pretty cool. Again, that's full screen as well. Let's just take it back. So yeah, you can see that it's full screen. So what I'm gonna try to do, because like I said, she didn't have Waze set up, so I'm listening to Pandora now, and that works fine. All I'm really gonna use is Pandora and Waze, but anyway, so I'm gonna use Waze. I'm gonna jump on the highway just to see if it freezes up. It didn't freeze up on the way here, but that was with Google Maps. So I'm gonna check that out and see if this new zLink update has, you know, fixed my issues. So let's jump on the highway real quick. All right, we're riding down the highway, and it hasn't froze at all. So like I said, you can see it looks much better, and I think my Android Auto issues could finally be resolved. So before, it would have been froze up by now. So yeah, the zLink update has fixed the Android Auto, making this unit a tiny bit better. So I have to see what's going on with my phone. I got a couple of videos I need to at least get off there before I do like a factory reset. I don't want to lose all that, but hopefully I can get that figured out. But we at least do know that it works, because my wife has the same exact phone as me, so it must be some settings I got screwed up somewhere. But with that, peace out, y'all. Like I say, unit's just getting much better. I finally got a working Android Auto, so appreciate you watching. Peace out.